This is an installation guide for the aluminium screen door. After unpacking, you will find these accessories to assemble the door. Don't forget to remove the excess packaging. You will need the following tools to assemble the door. Align the wheels on the door lamella with the upper rail pulley and insert them into the slots. Align the corners of the frame with the upper rail and connect. To fix it, you will need to use small metal screws. Start assembling the lower rail. Find the lower slot of the door lamella below. Find the lower rail guide. Align the lamella slots to the rail guide. Align the frame corner to the lower rail and connect them. Repeat the same process on the other side. Then tighten the small hexagonal socket screws. The screen door is now assembled. For precise alignment, you can use gauges, aids, or double-sided tape. Then place the assembled screen door inside the original door frame. Pay attention to the alignment, vertical and horizontal positioning on the four sides. After positioning the screen door, peel off the double-sided tape and stick it firmly. To make the screen door more stable, you can tighten the mounting screws on the left and right side of the screen door frame and upper rail. You can also apply mounting silicone glue to fill into the gaps between the original and screen door frame in order to see a cohesive picture. The folding screen door installation is now completed.